Where's it heading?
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central DuPage County in northeastern Illinois. Central Cook County in northeastern Illinois.
East Central DuPage County in northeastern Illinois. Central Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 8:15 p.m.
Moving southeast at 25
Looks like it's back in DuPage and Central Cook.
Moving southeast at 25 miles per hour.
Radar
Hazard
indicated.
70 miles per hour with gusts and nickel-sized hail.
Damage.
Source,
Damage is
radar
likely to
indicated.
mobile homes.
Due to the same counties that this issue only for DuPage and Cook.
Damage is
But will
likely.
this move into Will County and down towards Lake
Locations impacted
County, Indiana, and towards Kankakee County, Illinois, in the next 30 minutes to an hour?
Justice, Summit, Bridge, Oak Brook, Westmost, Villa Park, Bellwood, Bridgeview, Forest Park, LaGrange Park, Western Springs, Lyons, Riverside, Willowbrook, Clarendon Hills, Hillside, and Broadview. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern DuPage County
This is
in
NOAA Weather
northeastern
Radio,
Illinois,
KXI
north central